My name is Ashmi and I'm into permanent makeup cosmetology for eyebrows and lips. I took Facebook ads classes from Nimit and I found them very useful. Nimit has helped demystify a lot of tools and techniques which lie behind the success of a good Facebook ad campaign. So, although I was doing Facebook ad campaigns before taking this class, I did not get good results. However, after taking his classes, I received a lot of clarity and I got to understand what mistakes I was making in running those ads. And I don't blame myself, it's not that easy to run Facebook ads because there's a lot of thinking strategies involved, and there are so many tools within Facebook ads application that it's not possible for a regular person who's not from a technical field and is not actively trying to learn social media marketing. So it's a huge ocean of knowledge, social media marketing, and there are so many terms um, that you cannot expect yourself to know unless you take a proper course. So it's important that if somebody is trying to develop business online, which is not an option these days, they must take a small short course. And I do recommend Nimit because he's very approachable, he's easy to work with, he has deep thorough knowledge, and he knows that how to answer and teach people who are completely like laymen when it comes to these things. So he helps you up from a level 0, and he recommends that instead of sourcing out these services to an agency, you should be able to do it on yourself, and it is possible after taking his classes. So I really recommend that anyone who has either given their online projects to a marketing agency or they are planning to do it by themselves, either ways you should have basic knowledge of these things. And therefore I highly recommend these classes. They're inexpensive, and Nimit is great to work with, and anything you need from him, any question you have, you will not get disappointed. He will help you through it. So I really recommend his session, his course, and do give it a try. And you will definitely be learning a lot about social media after taking these classes, and you'll feel very confident about managing your business on your own.